What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are meeting up with my boy Malik. I'm like 5 minutes away, doing a review on his straight pipe C8 Z06, and if his Supra's there, I want to see if I can get a ride in that as well. But I'm really excited about the C8. I've never been in one, and the fact that it's a Z06, it's gonna be pretty cool. One thing I love about this setup is, since it's not straight pipe, the exhaust doesn't sound like it's actually in the car. But after a certain RPM, it just screams. I see what they mean by don't cheap out and just go straight pipe, and like actually invest into a proper exhaust setup, because this sounds way better, honestly. Yeah. Bro. It sounds insane, bro. Like, what? Dude, this thing sounds absolutely insane. When he was coming around that corner, I was like, what the? Bruh. This thing's crazy. Bro, when I heard you come around that corner, I was like, oh my gosh, bro. This sounds insane. I'd never get tired of driving this car.
Bro, honestly, starting to get just a little annoying.
Yeah?
Just a little bit.
Now that's...
Like, the inside is like a little bit rattling, you know?
Oh, okay. You got the drone and everything?
Yeah, that's what
I feel. Well, if you guys don't know, he owns a hat business. He has all the hats and everything. This is sick. I don't know why I haven't bought any yet. I like this one. This New York one is sick. The God's Army one. This one's sick. All of these are sick, bro. Into the hats.
I was collecting in high school.
Yeah.
So before high school, I was customizing like Air Force Ones. So I put like the fabric on them and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then it was just so much physical demand. So I was like, let me like design stuff, have somebody make it for me so I can just focus on selling it. And then I chose hats because, like, bro, it was super niche. Like, nobody was really doing it.
Oh, yeah, definitely. These are fire, too. I've never seen any other, like, hat designs that look like yours, honestly.
Yeah, they're all crazy. That's, like, our whole thing behind it. Like,
yeah.
I know people like different stuff, and you can't really get it from other hat brands. So that's just what I stuck with.
All right, guys, right now we're about to head over to a gas station, and then we're going to get a ride in the Z06, and then we're going to swap over. I'm really interested in how this thing feels. I know they're super fast though. Bro, this thing's gonna sound ridiculous, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. This thing is insane. Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, that thing is ridiculous. Nah, I didn't.
He was oncoming.
Oh, I didn't see him at all.
I was like, yo, get out of here.
Oh, I didn't see him at all. That is funny, bro. about, guys. I'm just letting you guys listen to the car because I don't know what to talk about. All I can say is Chevy, props to you, bro, because this thing is insane. I've never even been in a C8, honestly.
Really?
I've never been in one.
It's tight over there.
The fact that it's a Z06, this should be real interesting.
It's gonna ruin your Stingray experience if you ever get in a Stingray.
I don't ever want to get in a Stingray after this. Honestly, the interior is really, really nice in here too.
Some people hate on the interior.
For real?
Yes, I feel like the C8 hate is just so forced, bro.
I think it looks real sick. I like it. I don't know why they hate.
We'll just send it, bro, to the light.
Oh, this thing's fast. Oh, this thing's fast. Oh my So this thing, is it tuned?
No.
No?
You can't tune them. The ECU is still live. Bro.
For real?
Yeah.
So they just take all these upgrades and stuff just really good?
That's my favorite part. That downshift in the second.
Oh, wait till these ECUs are unlocked. Bro, once people get their hands on this thing, dude, this thing's stupid crazy. Guys, look at this interior. I don't know why people hate on the C8, honestly. Because this is an amazing car. Maybe the base models, yeah, but even the Stingrays, bro, they move. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, sitting in this, I've been in a C7 because my grandpa has one. Like, it kind of feels like a C7, but a lot tighter. Like, you could tell. I don't know how to explain it. This car is ridiculous. I'm interested in how it feels to drive, because in the passenger seat, man, it just like sucks you in. It feels amazing. But this is the first time I'm hearing my car from the outside catless, because I don't let people drive my car, honestly. So this should be interesting. Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro. This thing's ridiculous. Bro, dude,
It sounds insane.
I told you, it sounds,
Bro, it's way different on the outside.
Oh my gosh, bro.
I have to turn the valves off so I can really hear it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Dude, this thing's fun, bro. Holy. Alright guys, we're about to pull over and get some flybys because I want to hear this thing.
It sounds so good. There's no way, bro.
There's a tunnel down there.
No way. Down this way?
There's an underpass down there if you want to go down.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I'll drive down there and then fucking we'll get an underpass. Yeah,
Okay,
bro.
bet.
I went down there. Let's get out the road. I went down there. I was like, there's an underpass. I was like, I gotta come back up here and tell them. Bro. We can get a video. We can get out of here so then they don't complain. And once we get down there, get a video of you going through the underpass. I'll go through the underpass under the Mustang as well. And we can get both sound comparisons too.
Okay, bet.
Alright guys, so right now I'm running over and there's an underpass and we're gonna get this thing going under there because this is gonna sound absolutely insane, bro. Oh my gosh. I don't know if that lady's calling the cops, but dude, that thing sounds absolutely insane, bro. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I think this lady calling the cops. I seen her grab her phone and made it look like she was calling it, so play it safe. No, the rock chips. Guys, I wish you guys were here to hear this thing. It sounds amazing, dude. Bro, I have no words to say. It just sounds insane, dude. Like, I don't know. That's all I can do is just laugh and smile. That is a crazy car. Shout out Chevy. They did their thing. That is a beautiful work of art. Holy Holy, holy, holy. That's all I can say. Holy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. This C8 sounds absolutely ridiculous. Shout out my guy. He hooked it up because I've never been a C8.
For your first time driving a C8, driving this is crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
Honestly, I was surprised you even tossed the keys. I was just expecting to just be in the passenger seat and feeling it. So shout out him. I'm gonna leave his page to you'll see this car and the Supra, and I'll leave his hat page as well. Go check him out.
Next video, we're gonna take out the Supra. I'm gonna teach Nick how to slide it. He said he hasn't really slid a car before, and then maybe you might see me slide the Mustang as well. So I gotta stay tuned.
Hey, if he lets me slide the Supra, I might as well let him slide the Mustang. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching. Till the next time, God bless you guys.